the world of herbal medicine, various methods are used to extract and preserve the beneficial components of herbs. Among these, glycerites stand out as a popular alcohol-free alternative to traditional tinctures. This video explores glycerites, detailing their composition, medicinal uses, and the pros and cons compared to alcohol-based tinctures. What are glycerites? Glycerites are liquid herbal extracts that use glycerin as a solvent instead of alcohol. Glycerin, a sweet-tasting, colorless, and odorless liquid, is derived from plant oils through hydrolysis. This compound is highly effective in extracting and preserving the medicinal properties of herbs. Glycerites are particularly favored in herbal medicine for their safety, mild nature, and palatability, making them suitable for children, pets, and adults who avoid alcohol. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. Composition and preparation. The primary component of a glycerite is vegetable glycerin, which acts as both a solvent and preservative. Herbs of choice are added to the glycerin, usually in powdered or finely chopped forms to maximize the surface area for extraction. The ratio of glycerin to water, if used, and herbs can vary depending on the desired strength of the glycerite, but a common formulation is about 60 to 80% glycerin to 20 to 40% water. Using water with your glycerin has a number of benefits. Enhanced extraction. Water can help facilitate the extraction process by penetrating the plant material more effectively than glycerin alone, especially for water-soluble compounds. This can result in a more comprehensive extraction of the plant's beneficial components. Improved manageability. The reduced viscosity makes the glycerite easier to handle, measure, and administer. Glycerin's thick, syrup-like consistency can be challenging to work with, especially when mixing or extracting from dense or fibrous plant materials. This mixture is then allowed to macerate over a period of weeks, with regular agitation to ensure thorough extraction of the herbal constituents. Cost-effectiveness. Glycerin is more expensive than water, so diluting it with water can make the process more cost-effective without significantly compromising the quality of the extract. Just be sure to use distilled water if diluting your glycerin to ensure no impurities are placed into your medicinal treatments. Medicinal uses of glycerites. Glycerites are used similarly to alcohol-based tinctures in herbal medicine. They are primarily taken orally, either directly by mouth or diluted in water or tea. The medicinal uses of glycerites depend on the herbs used for extraction. For instance, chamomile glycerite, often used for its calming effects, aiding in sleep and reducing anxiety. Ginger glycerite, utilized for its anti-inflammatory properties and to aid digestion. Echinacea glycerite, employed to boost the immune system, especially during cold and flu seasons. Glycerites can also be used topically, depending on the herb and intended use, such as calendula glycerite for skin irritations. Pros of using glycerites over alcohol tinctures. Alcohol-free, ideal for those avoiding alcohol due to personal preferences, medical reasons, or religious beliefs. Sweet taste. The inherent sweetness of glycerin makes glycerites more palatable than alcohol tinctures, which is particularly useful when administering to children. Versatility. Glycerites can be used both internally and externally, similar to alcohol tinctures. Long shelf life. When properly prepared and stored, glycerites can last up to 1-2 years without refrigeration. Cons of using glycerites. Lower solvency power. Glycerin is less effective than alcohol at extracting certain compounds, particularly those that are alcohol-soluble. Thicker consistency. Glycerites are more viscous, which can make handling and dosing more difficult. Limited extraction of resins and oils. Glycerin does not dissolve resins and oils as effectively as alcohol, which can limit the use of certain herbs in glycerite form. Glycerites offer a viable and effective alternative to alcohol-based tinctures, particularly suited for those seeking a non-alcoholic option. While they may not extract as broad a spectrum of plant compounds as alcohol can, their safety, ease of use, and palatability make them a preferred choice for many, especially in family and pediatric herbal medicine. As with any herbal preparation, the choice between glycerites and alcohol-based tinctures should be guided by the specific needs, circumstances, and preferences of the individual.